Hello everyone, my name is Tanya. I'm the founder of The Grace Kitchen and I'm here today to tell you about one of my most favorite brands, which is Tropolite Crystal Whipping Cream. Now this product is 100% vegan and it's perfect for people who want to try out vegan recipes and vegan desserts. I have been using Tropilite since many years and it's my most trusted brand because of the amazing range of products that they offer and the always consistent and great results. So be it their vanilla cake mixes or their mud cake mixes, their flavorings or their whipping cream, everything is absolutely perfect. And that is what they promise through this product as well. Now, I tried this product about 5 to 6 months back and it has been super amazing. Since I've been making a lot of vegan desserts these days, this has come to my rescue and it's absolutely perfect. So you can see how amazing this product is, and the best part about Tropolite as a brand is the consistency that you get with their products, and that is what even this product is going to offer you. So if you haven't tried out this product, you must do it right now and do let me know how you find it.